Do you need a fire alarm inspection? Hello, this is Dale Baker, and I'm representing USA Security Systems Incorporated. USA Security Systems Incorporated installs, inspects, services, and repairs fire protection systems. We also install and service CCTV and EAS security systems. We are a union electrical shop consisting of well-trained technicians with decades of combined experience. We are a proud, licensed IBEW company and a member of the Illinois Electronic Security Association. Contact us today for your fire protection and security needs at www.usasecuritysys.com or call 630-479-8042.